Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a free tool to plan your 2021. I'm Jess, I love all things fitness, healthy lifestyle, and activewear. If you like those things too, definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So today I have a free planning tool that you can use to plan your 2021. It also provides reflection for 2020. So it is by yearcompass.com. I have used this the past couple of years to plan out my goals, to reflect on my year before, things like that, and it is totally free. So I will link it down below. I have really loved using it, and so I'm going to take you through actually from last year. It's going to be interesting. So this is my year ahead from 2019-2020, and the first half of the booklet you basically reflect on how your year went. They do have a pandemic edition this year. I have not printed that off. I just went with the classic this year. I don't know if I want to do the extra prompts or not, but I guess there are some extra prompts in there, so feel free to check it out. So they kind of give you an overview, and then they say get ready, arrive, put on some relaxing music, pour yourself a hot beverage, let go of all your expectations, start when ready. So for me, this took me a couple hours to complete. You can also complete the thinking back the year behind and then do your goals at a separate time, or just go as you want. But I think the year before I did it in two halves, and last year I definitely did it just all at once. Okay, so the past year, the first thing is you go through your calendar week by week and you write down anything important. So I actually had a lot of stuff the year before. I just basically sat down with my calendar and went through. I had a physical calendar and my digital calendar to remind me of things that happened. Then it says, this is what my last year was about. So 2019, we redid our living room, which is the room I'm in here. There's different categories, so personal life and family, belongings, friends and community, all different things that you fill in the year that was. I also started making Jessipes in 2019, which was my recipes. Then it asks, what are you the most proud of from the year? Who are three people who influenced you the most? Who are three people you influenced the most? What were you not able to accomplish? What is the best thing you've discovered about yourself? And what are you the most grateful for? So I think that's really cool to reflect. And then there's a part where you actually draw, which I think was really cool. I don't like to draw a lot normally, but I think for this, I really enjoy that part. You talk about your accomplishments, you talk about your challenges, and this is all in the classic version. I'm not positive what the pandemic one includes, but there's definitely more that's a little bit more geared to how things might have changed. Forgiveness. Did anything happen during the past year that needs to be forgiven and letting go? Is there anything else you need to say? So then you sum up your past year in 3 words. The book of my past, a book was made about your past, write down its title. So just really cool. And then the next section is getting into the year ahead. So the year ahead for 2020. So this is going to be interesting to look at what I was planning for 2020. So you do draw. So one thing I drew was I wanted to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So that happened. I also wanted to do pull-ups, and I did work on my pull-ups and I did get a bunch, and then the pandemic hit. So unfortunately, I have not really been working on pull-ups since then. This is what my next year will be about: personal life and family vacations. I mean, I guess that did happen though, because I did get to go to Colorado. Gym every day, meditate every day, which I really did up until probably like the last month. Intellectual, I said more Audible books. I love Audible, and so I've definitely been reading through Audible, so listening, I guess. Finances, I wanted to pay off 2 credit cards, and I did that, so that was exciting. I kept that goal. Health and fitness, gym every day, pull-ups, I wanted to do 5. I wanted to work on my double unders, and I did all that. And then on my bucket list was trips. So, okay, that didn't totally happen. So 3 things that I wanted to achieve the most. One of them was 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So that happened. So I feel really good about that. There are 6 sentences about my next year. This year I will not procrastinate anymore on. This year I will draw the most energy from. This year I will be the bravest when. This year I will say yes when, and I said a unique opportunity presents itself. This year I advise myself to, and this year will be special for me because. So I really like that. And then you come up with a word for the year ahead and a secret wish. And then when all is said and done, you date it and sign it. And it says, I believe anything is possible this year. So I really enjoyed making it last year and the year before, and I've already printed it off to do again. I'm really curious, just thinking forward to some goals, like now that I've hit 1,000 subscribers, I don't know if like a subscriber goal is really a goal for me. I want to be monetized, and hopefully that will be really soon. I don't know. I have to think more about some goals. So I will definitely be doing this in the coming days leading up to New Year's. I don't know. I'm really not sure. I feel on the spot now. So I hope you liked this video. I will link the year ahead planner below. So you'll have the 2020-2021 version, and you can pick between the classic or the pandemic version. And let me know if you end up trying it, if you like it. For me, I just like to have a little bit of structure. I like to journal, but for something like this, I think that it pushes me more to like really think about things when it has certain prompts. So let me know down below if you're going to try it, or if you have other things that you use for goal setting. I would love to hear. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day, stay positive, bye!